Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey there, my brothers and sisters in faith, and maybe even some curious non-Muslim friends out there. Welcome to this in-depth video where we tackle a question I know so many of you have been asking. Is Forex trading halal in Islam? Yeah, that question. Whether you're just curious, already trading, or feeling torn between your deen and your dollars, this video is for you. Let's break it down piece by piece, from Islamic rulings to real-world Forex mechanics. And hey, no judgment here, just a safe space to learn and reflect.
Okay, let's not assume everyone here knows what Forex even is. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. So imagine this. You buy US dollars with British pounds, and then later you sell those dollars when the value goes up. You just made a profit. That's Forex trading. Sounds simple, right? But this isn't your neighborhood money exchange. Nope. Forex trading today mostly happens online, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's fast, it's technical, and it's risky. But here's the real question. Is it permissible in Islam? Before we get to rulings, let's step back. What makes something halal or haram when it comes to money? In Islam, financial transactions must follow certain principles. No riba, interest. No gharar, excessive uncertainty. No maysir, gambling. Fair dealings, honesty, and immediate exchanges. These principles come from the Quran and Hadith. Allah says in the Quran, Allah has permitted trade and forbidden riba. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:275. So trade is allowed, yes. But certain types of trade, not so much. That's where things get tricky with Forex. Alright, let's peek behind the curtain. Forex trading comes in a few flavors. Spot trading. You buy a currency and sell another immediately, like, you buy $1,000 worth of euros using USD, settled within 1-2 days. This is key. 2. Forward contracts. You agree today to exchange currencies at a future date. This involves speculation on future prices. Futures and options, highly speculative. Involve contracts, leverage, and often riba. Now here's a key distinction. Spot Forex, especially if settled immediately, might be halal. But forwards and futures? Most scholars say, not halal. Why? Well, let's unpack that. Now comes the part you've been waiting for. Let's ask the big guns. What do Islamic scholars say? The Majma al-Fiqh al-Islami, a major Islamic fiqh body, has stated that most forms of modern Forex trading are not permissible. Why? Riba, interest. Most brokers offer leveraged accounts with margin, basically borrowing money with interest. That's riba, clear and simple. Delay in exchange. According to Islamic rulings, currencies must be exchanged hand to hand, meaning immediate settlement. But in many trades, there's a delay, 1 or 2 days. This delay can make it haram. Speculation and gambling. If you're trading based on guesses and charts with zero actual need for the currency, is it investment or is it betting? No real ownership. Some brokers just show you numbers. You don't actually own the currency, just a contract representing it. So, while some forms may be halal, the way most people trade, kind of falls in the haram territory. Let's go deeper. Halal versus haram Forex, real-world scenarios. All right, let's get practical. Scenario 1. Using leverage to multiply your trade, you invest $100, but you control $1,000. That extra money? It's borrowed, with interest. Haram. Scenario 2. You're holding trades overnight, and the broker charges a swap fee. Guess what that is? Yup, interest. Haram. Scenario 3. You open a spot trade, and both currencies are exchanged instantly. No leverage, no delay, no swap. Potentially halal if the broker is legit and the trade is clear. So it's not all or nothing, but it takes a lot of awareness. Have you heard of Islamic Forex accounts? Yeah, brokers caught on. They now offer swap-free accounts. No interest charged. Sounds halal, right? Hold on. While these accounts remove riba, there are still issues. Do they really settle trades immediately? Are they charging hidden fees elsewhere? Is the purpose of your trade halal? Some scholars say, even Islamic accounts are just a marketing gimmick. Others say, if it truly avoids riba and you trade ethically, maybe it's permissible. Again, intent method ruling. So here's the heart of it. Can you be a Forex trader and still be a good Muslim? The answer is, maybe. But you gotta be extremely cautious. Ask yourself, am I using leverage? Am I speculating or actually investing? Is this my livelihood or just a side hustle I barely understand? Would I do this if the prophet was watching over my shoulder? That last one's tough, huh? Okay, if most Forex is shady, what can you do instead? Halal investment options. Islamic stocks or ETFs that screen out haram industries. Real estate, so underrated. Commodities like gold or silver. Halal crypto projects, with a lot of caution. Remember, Allah promises barakah in halal income. Even if it's slow, it's pure. Money comes and goes. But barakah, that's something no chart or algorithm can measure. If you're feeling unsure, confused, or like you've maybe crossed some lines, don't panic. Allah is Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. He loves those who ask, learn, and change. So pray istikhara, talk to a trusted scholar, and reflect. Not every trade is worth your akhirah. Whew, that was a long ride. If you made it this far, jazakallahu khairan, seriously. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about Forex? Is it all haram? Are there loopholes? Are you trading and trying to make it halal? Drop your thoughts below, and hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep Islamic discussions like this. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Stay halal, stay hopeful, and stay humble.